Hi, to customize the app sound on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, we need to open settings first. And here scroll on the left side so we can see the sounds and vibration tab. Now scroll on the right side of your tablet and go in sound quality and effects. So, from here you can see Dolby Atmos. Make sure it is enabled for richer, brighter sound. And then we'll see our adapt sound. So first thing first, you need to enable it by tapping on this toggler near the name of the feature. And after that, you can select a preset. For that, you need to choose this feature by tapping it. And as you can see, this feature gives you perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears. It works whenever you are wearing headphones, so this feature is made for using headphones. And now you can choose a preset that matches your age or take a hearing test to create a personalized sound profile. So after that, you can select for what you want to use: adapt sound, media and calls, only media, or only calls. I prefer media and calls, so let's leave it that way. And then we can select our age, so under 30 years old, 30 to 60, over 60 years old, and of course we can create our personalized sound profile. For that, we will need to tap on the Add Personalized Sound Profile and then complete this quick hearing test. For that, we need to tap this blue button Start. And as you can see, to start the test, we will need to put on headphones and close all multimedia apps. So let's close the apps first, and then I'm gonna connect my earbuds to the tablet and complete this hearing test. So let me just close all running apps and connect my earbuds. So guys, I connected my earbuds and let's simply complete this hearing test. I'm gonna tap Start button. And now we need to listen it carefully. If you can hear the beep, you need to tap yes. Here, if you can hear it, tap yes or tap no. And then simply listen carefully and answer those simple questions, yes or no. So let me do it quickly and complete the test. And when we completed the test, we need to set preferred ear for calls. So I want to set white. After that, we can customize profile name. So here you can enter something else and we can use emojis here. And if you messed up, you can tap setup again and complete the test once more or save those changes. And this is your just own customizable adapt sound preset. You can tap those settings icon and here always choose to set up again. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.